Hi guys, bright sunny day, and I'm out and about trying out those 3D printed planes. Now, I tried that one in the garden, went very straight, needed a bit of nose weight. That's based on a U2 spy plane. This one is version 2, where I actually printed the front of it thicker so that I shouldn't need the extra weight. But I've only flown that one across the garden as well. So we'll have a little go out here. I chose this location because the grass has been mown, but it's a bit windy and I haven't got the wind protection on the camera, so you probably can't even hear me talking. We'll give them a try. Right, just use one rubber band. Okay, now we'll try the other one. Whoa. Well, remarkably even on the distance. Try it with a bit of right hand, see if we can get any turn in it. No, it just went straight. I thought it might have banked round to the right a bit. Let's try this one. No. Well, it looks like it's fine if you want to play lawn darts with them. We'll give them one more go, but it doesn't look like we're going to be doing stunts with them. Right, and again, let's try it up a bit higher. Definitely a lawn dart. Well, I have to say, I'm quite pleased with them. Can't remember who it was who suggested doing a U2 spy plane, but somebody suggested one, so I 3D printed it. Well, that's less than 6 inches wingspan, isn't it? They're pretty small. And I'm very pleased with that Mark II, because that's flying without any additional weight. So that'll do. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. and you might like to subscribe over there.